I am Roslyn Rosado, and now we are going to tackle about operations and functions in subtraction. So operations and functions. Subtraction. F minus g of x. So given f of x is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 1. So g of x is equal to x plus 1. So number one, we are going to write the functions side by side with a minus sign. So ang ating f of x is x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus g of x. Ang itong g of x is equal is x plus 1. So number two, distribute the negative sign to all terms and g of x. This is like saying take away the x and take away the 1. So equal is x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus x minus 1. And number 3, simplify each group. So ano siyang i-simplify? 2x minus x is equal to x. And 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So these terms is disappears. Kaya 0 naman sila. And number 5, write the final simplified functions. So open parentheses, if f minus g, close parentheses, open parentheses, x, close parentheses, is equal to x squared plus x. So here's the final result of our subtraction in operations and functions. So subtracting is distribute the negative signs first, then combine like terms. We are